We woke up early to partake of the spectacular Shangri La Gloden Sands breakfast buffet. Malaysia is a majority Muslim country. Thus, it is very rare to find pork products in buffet food spreads. Nonetheless, Malays enjoy the taste of bacon, so they have developed a bogus bacon made of beef, which I call fagan. Also on the breakfast buffet, some of the best bread pudding I have had. And let's not forget the all-important morning coffee. I had booked a full-day private tour of Penang. The guide showed up at the hotel right on time at 9:30. He suggested that we go first to Entopia, the butterfly farm. When we arrived, we paid a total of 130 ringgits for admission for both of us. We were just in time for the daily release of newly hatched butterflies. After some explanation by the staff, we were each given a small plastic cup with a butterfly in it. The staff lady counted down 3, 2, 1, and everybody released their butterflies. Entopia is a large indoor venue with fish ponds and waterfalls. Exotic plants and flowers, lizards and other fauna, and of course, butterflies of many different kinds and colors. We spent about an hour there enjoying nature before departing. On our way to the Georgetown UNESCO World Heritage Site, we stopped at the famous floating mosque to take pictures. Then onward to the restored ruins of Fort Cornwallis. Originally built by the British in 1786. Then it was time for lunch, so we headed to a popular food court. Penang is known as a foodie paradise, with lots of different dishes on offer. After lunch, we headed to the UNESCO World Heritage part of town to walk around and see the older buildings. Penang is also famous for its many murals dotted about the old parts of the city. Among the most famous are the reaching buoy, the kids reaching through bars, and the bicycle. These can be seen on many souvenirs of Penang. We visited the reaching buoy mural to take pictures. Then we passed the kids reaching through bars mural and lined up with the other tourists to take pictures at the bicycle mural, which was complicated by the roadway in front of the mural being busy with traffic. In my opinion, these famous murals could all use a coat of fresh paint. There is a strong Chinese influence in Penang, and we encountered a small neighborhood temple in our meanderings. We also came across this very unusual sign. Apparently, Penang loves cats based on the many cat murals we saw. We went to the Chew Jetty, a collection of houses and shops built over the shallows. And we shopped for souvenirs. We then visited a small but ornately decorated temple dedicated to the Monkey King, a popular Chinese folk tale. Finally, we drove past some of the Chinese Tong, or Family Association buildings. We arrived back at the hotel just after sunset from an exhausting but very enjoyable day. After supper, we had planned to go for a walk on the beach, but the threatening lightning storm scared us off.